Pretty damn good driver, 15 years old. Accident nice. Good job. Must be in the blood.